Mother, gulab jamun?
Yes, 2 please. You know, Ginny, I'm having fun after such a long time. When Aladdin's father was alive.
Mother, you still miss him a lot, right?
I feel that he's still around me.
जो नहीं दिख रहा है ओ बंदे, वो भी तुझे दिख जाएगा। आजमा रहा है जो तुझे तुझे उस पार ले जाएगा, वो ही तुझे उस पार ले जाएगा। सजदाए शुक्रा, सजदाए सबरा करता जा, सजदाए शुक्रा, सजदाए सबरा करता जा, सजदाए शुक्रा, सजदाए सबरा करता जा, सजदाए शुक्रा, सजदाए सबरा।
Here you are.
We used to attend this festival every year and celebrated it in a grand way. Even he loved gulab jamuns a lot.
Really?
He used to make me have as many as he had, and he would get upset if I refused to eat them.
What happened, Mother?
I think I felt his presence.
You'll remember this day forever, like the memories you cherish from the past, Mother. Colder than the coldest ice, brighter than the brightest light. To cheer up Mother's emotions, may the weather become beautiful.
A black cloud? What is going to happen now? This is really scary.
There's something wrong.
How could this happen? This is unbelievable.
I don't know.
I can't realize what's happening. This is not possible at all. A black cloud.
I'm certain that Genu is behind this.
How can it
Oh my god,
happen?
I told him not to perform magic.
What is this? Dark clouds? What's going on? It seems suddenly evening. What is going on? What is going on? How is this possible? A black cloud. What is standing right here? We've never seen a black cloud.
What is going on?
Something is wrong.
Colder than the coldest ice, brighter than the brightest light. To cheer up Mother's emotions, may the weather become beautiful.
भारी हो भले ही इस पल का डेरा, ना उम्मीदी से परे छुपा बैठा है सवेरा, सवेरा, सवेरा। ईमान पे ईमान रख बंदे, जो ना सोचा वो भी पाएगा। सजदाए शुक्रा, सजदाए सबरा करता जा, सजदाए शुक्रा, देकर तू कभी हार तेरी वो फिर भी नहीं। हाथ है तेरा उसके हाथ में, जीत है तेरी जिसकी बारगाह में। बंदगी तेरी कभी खाली नहीं जाएगी, तेरी दुआ आयत बन के लौट आएगी। घर आया है कोई, पैगाम लाया कोई। घर आया है कोई, पैगाम लाया कोई। देख जरा देख जरा देख जरा देख जरा देख जरा देख जरा। सदाए शुक्रा सदाए सबरा करता जा, सदाए शुक्रा सदाए सबरा करता जा, सदाए शुक्रा करता जा, सदाए सबरा करता जा, सदाए शुक्रा करता जा, सदाए सबरा करता जा।
Yes?
Pardon me, please. I mistook you for somebody else.
No problem.
My destiny is so upset with me, such that hope seems false and sorrow seems true. But now Sultan Shah Nawaz has to pay for this sorrow. Three hours are up. I need to reach there in time.
Here, mother. Here's your second son as well.
Aladdin, you know Aladdin, Ginny and I have won so many prizes that you won't even believe. Do you know? I won this tong as well.
And moreover, she won 2 silk dupattas also, but she exchanged them for 2 underwears for you.
What else I could do? All his underwears are torn.
Isn't it nice, mother? He won't feel hot.
Don't worry. All of them are your favorite colors. I'll show you them. Wait.
Yes.
Oh God. I think I forgot the bag back in the shop. I'll just get it, okay? I'll
Fine.
be back.
Okay. Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Now your mother has 2 true sons. I'm the elder and you're the younger. I hope that you are not offended at all.
Why are you cheating yourself?
What?
You are not my mother's son. You are a genie. A genie possesses magic, power and strength. And they don't have a family.
But I don't need magic. I don't need power. I need a family. I need a mother. And then even your mother has accepted me as a son.
I feel sad to break your heart, Gino. But I have to part from you for the sake of my mother's happiness. I have no time to listen to you. Just know that you need to go away from me and my mother.
But where?
Yes, I am not your real master. I found the lamp, but for someone else. So I'm going to hand you over to your actual master.
Princess, very tough measures have been taken for Sultan Shahnawaz's safety. Please don't worry at all. Leave alone Muchad, even a fly can't come inside. You just enjoy the celebration. What's the matter? Didn't you like this necklace?
I like victory, not defeat. A small mistake separates a victory from a defeat. I don't want even a single mistake in my father's safety. Muchad has always been a step ahead of us. But today, I won't let that happen.
But Princess, where are you going?
The celebration is about to commence. Before father appears in front of the subjects, I would like to inspect all arrangements one last time. But this time I won't go as a princess there. Rather, I will go as a citizen.
But you are my master, and I can't leave you and go. And I don't want a new master.
You are a genie, and a genie cannot wish for himself. The one who has the lamp is the genie's master. Your master is someone else from today.
But then mother would not be there. And then you also have considered me as your friend.
I have no one other than my mom in this world. Not even you.
You want to throw me out of the house. But mother considers me to be her son. And I would not leave her to go anywhere else. I would never leave. And I will complain to mother about you. Mother! 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 But why are you doing this, master?
For my mother. I want my mother to get all the happiness in this world. She went through a lot to raise me, and I'm unable to do anything for her. I'm useless. I could not give her anything. Try to understand this, Jinu. I'm exchanging you for my mother's happiness.
Aladdin? Leave him. What are you both doing? Tell me.
Mom, Jinu just got a message that he has to go away for some work. But he is not listening to me.
Why are you both like this? Ginny had gone earlier too, but he came back. He will go and come back this time too. You don't have to fight for that.
No, Mom. He will not return this time.
He will not return? What do you mean? Where is he going?
I will tell you.
A crime took place here 20 years ago. It will be avenged in 20 seconds. I will shoot my arrow through the heart of Sultan Shahnawaz, and then Rukhsar will get justice.
I had promised someone to go to him for some work, but later when time came, then I refused to him. And I broke my promise. But when he saw his friend to do the wrong thing, then he got angry. And then when friends do something wrong, then we feel upset about it. But I have realized my mistake. I will go back. I will definitely go back.
Jinu, my dear. Where are you going?
Somewhere very far, mother. So far that I will never be able to return.
But you had promised you, didn't you? That you and I will see the doves fly and spread the message of peace together. You're breaking a promise to fulfill the other one.
But mother, even you had promised me that you will never ever cry. And then when you see the doves fly in the air, then you please remember me, mother. And please, mother, please remember one thing, mother, that no matter how far I go, mother, but I shall always consider you as my mother. And my mother, you will always live with pride. You will never look down. Mother, you have given me so much love that I can never forget it in my life. Will you fulfill my one last wish as I leave? Will you sing a lullaby for me one last time?
No. No. I will not be able to see you leave, Ginny.
Mother, even I will not be able to look into your eyes as I leave, Mother.
जन्नतें तूने तोहफे में दी थी, माँ कह के तूने जब था पुकारा, उसी लम्हा सब कुछ हमें मिल गया था कि कुछ न खुदा से मांगा दोबारा।
You've done something really amazing, Ginny dear.
So then can I address you as my mother?
Of course.
Mother,
इस घर के आंगन में एक फूल नया आया, दुनिया से बड़ा ही अनजान है ये प्यारा। इस धूप सी दुनिया में माँ होती साया, अब धूप में ना जाएगा वो दोबारा।
Mother, never ever let me go away from you ever.
Never. Even if you want to, I will never let you go away from me.